Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to play team battles in Knockout. And let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to play team battles, I'm going to be make sure you watch the video up until the end. But basically, once you go ahead and launch the game, once you initially launch Knockout, it's going to give you an option at the top once the round is actually over. And I believe the options are going to be where you choose the map and you choose the so see, choose a mode. Free for all is, or FFA is called free for all, which is no teams, and then 2 teams. I should have clicked it, but yeah, 2 teams, and then that's gonna be like a whatever the lobby is. I'm pretty sure this is free for all. No, this is actually team battles because I have my teammates blue thing on top of my name. So this is going to be team knockout. So that's basically how you do team battles. You just have to click on the team. You kind of have to like hope that it works, or not that it works, but like that it like actually goes through, because I might be dead, but you just have to hope that it's kind of like a chance, a percent chance that it goes depending on how many people voted for team battles. But you just want to click on the 2 teams, and then that should do it. And anybody who has like that red thing, or if yours is a red and anybody else with the red color is going to be on your team, so those 2 guys are on my team and then that guy is on the enemy team. So yeah, that should be pretty much it. We'll go ahead and do it one more time, since the round is about to end. Basically, it's just 3 people left. Okay, so red team won. So now that the round is over, we can go ahead and check it out. Okay, never mind. I guess it's not over yet. Yeah, but basically once the round is over, you just vote for the 2 teams, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you do that, you just vote for the 2 teams, and if you actually get it, it'll say at the top. So let me go ahead and vote for the 2 teams. Now when the round starts, it should tell us right here. It's going to tell us what we get, and we got FFA, which means we got free for all, so no team. So that should be pretty much it. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.